How to log in to Duolingo account. So if you want to log in to Duolingo account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now in the search bar you have to search for Duolingo. And now after searching, here you will have www.duolingo.com. You can click on that. And now if you want to create your account, then you can click on get started. But if you want to log in, then you have to click on I already have an account. If you didn't save your account last time when you log in, then you have to enter your email address and then you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. You can simply click on forgot password and then you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then simply enter your password and then you have to enter your email address and then you have to click on sign in. But if you want to create an account, then you can go to the upper right corner and click on sign up and then you can create your Duolingo account. So after entering your password, click on sign in. And that's it. That's how you log into your Duolingo account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.